Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 22nd, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. So a stock we're going to take a look at today is called Kimberly Corporation. You may know the company. They make a lot of personal products, consumer personal products such as diapers, tissues, napkins, things that people need and use each and every day. And right now you'll see that the stock is just coming off of, I believe, a new 52-week high above 136, but it's starting to pull back. This is healthy for a stock to do. Now, the big question is, where would you want to get involved in the equity? And a lot of traders would say, hey, maybe this blue line here, which is the 20-period moving average, I would go a little bit lower, and I'd say somewhere around the 128.50 level. Let me show you how I derived this number. Well, first off the bat, you do have a 50-day moving average, and a lot of times stocks like to come back to their 50-day moving average, test it, pierce through it, and you'll see that they rally back up. So if that does it this time, we have a good little level there just due to the 50-day moving average and a little pierce or a little bit of a movement below the line. So that normally would be good support. But if you take a look at, say, a daily chart here, what you're going to notice is the stock put a little pivot top in around 129. Then it came back down, put a little pivot top in around a little higher, a little bit lower. And then it made this little back test before breaking out to new highs. And that little back test bar right there is around 128.77. So that tells us right around 128.50 to 128.77. That's where the institutions most likely come in and support this name to go back up. So that's where I would be a buyer of Kimberly Clark. But I would not be buying it right now. I'd let this pull back to around 128.50 level, and I think that's where you get a good entry price to get involved in KMB to the long side. Now remember, this is a very defensive company, and when I say defensive, I don't mean a company that sells firearms or weapons or makes anything for the government to fight wars. When I say defensive, it's a company that pays a dividend. It's a company that's a highly profitable stock, and a company that a lot of traders and investors get involved in just because of the dividend and the solid market performance that it's had over the years. So that's what we mean by a defensive company. It's something where other traders would be fearful. Kimberly Clark feels like a safe haven type of bet to get involved in. And again, $28.50 would be the level where I would look to get involved in Kimberly Clark. All right, with that being said, everybody, I want to leave it here, short and sweet. Have a great trading day. And again, if you want to come and join us in the intraday stock chat, please come and do that. Take a 7-day free trial there. And if you want to trade Kimberly Clark and other equities with us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. You'll get all of our nightly setups, you'll get our cycle work, and you'll get our No Hype Live broadcast, which we hold twice a week for members. That allows you to come in and ask us questions about equities that we may be trading or equities that you may be looking to get involved in. It gives you an open format to come and ask us questions. We do that twice a week. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.